You can't hold a man for your married until now you can't hold a blood clot man. Look how much time they catch you.
Welcome to Jamaica, where even in the church there is drama. If you don't believe me, watch this video.
Thomas, I want to ask you a question. Good morning, Pastor Thomas. This is Deacon West from Apostle Sinai, live in America. Me same one. The one who caught the judgment pan, the one don't have something there. Let me ask you something this morning. You get a stall from the bishop. What you waiting for? Supermarket? You want supermarket? So as for your pussy one good. That you get stall and you are wait for supermarket. If you get from the bishop, you say you come up as a sign for fuck down and mash up a church. That's what you come to do? As I look up to you when I just hear you come to Apostle Sinai, I say you're a woman of integrity and look like you're somebody. But to find out now that you're a bitch, because you come to the church and you realize that the bishop and Pastor Shah have children to have a child together, and you come in with the other pastor lady, and you come in at the church, and Pastor Thomas, you really good there with Bishop Dennis Messias. So you are so low and so classless that you come in at the church and you put one in your forehead as a big woman. Uno a big people in a church and uno carry no pussy in a no forehead. Uno pussy no have no condition. And what want shampoo? And then the shampoo you want? You're married how much time and for your pussy can't hold no man. And I say walk around and take every man where you can get. Uno big woman, 4 times you want married. And you come down and Dennis Messiah, you want to come roll up in your bind that pussy. I saw you one wicked and bad woman. I shouldn't that Jamaica to blood clot for deal with you. For no one to hear people, no want people here when I go with the church. The big pastor woman. You get tall and you want blood clot supermarket with drive through. Eh? You come down there, your friend with Bishop with Pastor Shah and you did a techie man at the same time. I don't have a friend in a church. You have to stop it, man. You're not too low. You know what, like with a big woman and a blood clot all sagara. You know walk with a pussy and fuck everyone you go.
Batty man boy. If me even not take Bishop, me not take another woman. And me not take Bishop. Cause suck your mama dirty boy. Batty man. Man a play up in your shit pit. Man a play up in your shit pit now, man a play up with me. I'm not there with Messiahs. One time I married dirty boy. Dirty old boy. When man a play up in your shit pit. I'm not take Dennis. I'm not tap go March Pen Road. So anytime you come on March Pen Road, you go come see me. I'm not tap go down there. All I know we are surrogate up on a talk about me and Dennis there. Me and Dennis not there. Because me couldn't see the dilemma where I go on down there and go drop in at that dirty boy. And you go tell you and your friend them, go tell your friend them, say anytime you want to fuck, me ride the plane, go fuck and come back. You hear me I tell you? My man live a Curacao. Every time you want to fuck, me ride the plane, go fuck. Me not fuck with no girl. You hear me I tell you? I'm not there with Dennis. So get on a hack together. The whole I don't know where I call up my name. Get on a hack together. I'm not there with the Bishop Messiahs. Oh, me can't swear upon my mama grave. I'm not there with Dennis. So no get on a hack together on a nastiness. No go away. All I know a sodomite and Batman.
Man supposed to play up in my blood clot because me good. That's why man a play up in my blood clot. And let me tell you something. So boy, you deal with me now. Man supposed to play up in my blood clot because me have something where man want. You not have a mama blood clot where man want because I say you have to walk. Them hoping like a blood clot clothespin and I say you're hoping and can't hold. Make me tell you something. You don't know a mama blood clot about me. And if me a batty man with class coming up fuck any kind of man. Learn that this bitch. Okay? You is a low class dirty blood clot bitch. That's what you are. Because you go there and you get a blood clot stall and you want pussy clot supermarket in your big stinking pussy wall, Thomas. Where walk a fuck with blood clot man like a dog. Dirty girl. You can't hold a blood clot man for yourself. Nasty pussy wall woman. Your pussy full of rat. That's why you can't hold a blood clot man. You're saying I'm not gripping your hole, girl. You can't hold a man for your married until now you can't hold a blood clot man. Look how much time they catch you with man to blood clot. That's why your husband don't left you. Dirty nasty pussy, Thomas. Big dirty nasty blood clot, old Thomas. Are you me a pussy clot talk? You think me afraid of no blood clot? You think me afraid of you? Oh, in a match pen road must be blood clot afraid of, but I'm not afraid of you at all. Dirty girl. You can't put up my blood clot in your placard because this a one ya. This a dirty blood clot boy ya. No afraid of no pussy clot woman. I woman like you make me scan the ground on no blood clot walk from because you're not no class. You make me not no nature for blood clot woman because say you are down to the ground. The blood clot dog have him season but you don't have none. You walk and fuck like a pussy clot dog.
Can you believe that his church brother and church sister cursing like that? Eh? Deaconess. In a church at Kingston, a Marks Pen Road, our place name. Eh? Imagine that. Church sister and church brother going at one another like that.